I felt like I had to be seen as a team player, just in case we're here back in the same situation 3 days ago. Might help assure my survival for even 3 days from now.
Voting for Kimmy. We need to keep our tribe strong, and there's too much split going on, so for a strong Kucha, let's vote.
Kimmy, the tribe, Mother Nature has spoken. Time for you to go.
Go get him, guys. Well, it was a game, and 12 out of 50,000 is not a bad thing. Little sad, but glad that I stayed true to myself and my morals. Hope I didn't let my family down too much by getting booted off so soon, but I definitely had a great time. I knew for a long time that my head was on the chopping block. So